Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to cross the road safely using a zebra crossing. That's right, crossing the road is super important and doing it the right way keeps us safe. I'll show you step by step how to cross at a zebra crossing and explain why we need to follow road signs. Let's get started. First things first, always stop at the edge of the sidewalk when you're near a road. Look for a zebra crossing. It's the one with black and white stripes, just like me. Before you cross, use your eyes and ears to check for cars. Look left, look right, and look left again. Then listen carefully for any vehicles you might not see. If a car is coming, wait for it to stop completely. Drivers are supposed to stop at zebra crossings, but it's always good to double check before you step onto the road. Exactly. Walk quickly but don't run, and keep looking left and right as you cross. Remember, stay on the stripes. Now let's talk about road signs and traffic lights. Do you see that little green walking figure? But if it's red, we need to wait. Traffic lights and road signs are there to guide everyone, drivers, cyclists and pedestrians, so we can all stay safe. Road signs also help drivers know what to do. Stop signs mean cars must stop completely, and speed limit signs tell them how fast they can go. When drivers follow these rules, it's safer for everyone. So, to stay safe when crossing the road, we need to use the zebra crossing. Stop and look left, right and left again. Wait for cars to stop before stepping onto the road. Follow traffic lights and road signs. Stay safe and always follow the rules. See you next time, friends. Bye.